Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start inside the game, open Mobile Legends and tap your profile, then jump straight to Settings and Account. Once there, choose Account Security. This is where trusted devices live. Make sure you have immediate access to the linked email or phone because the system will ask for verification. You want to avoid delays. If verification prompts appear, respond now. This first move sets up the removal flow and prevents being locked out during the next steps. Now you enter Trusted Devices or Device Management inside Account Security. Locate the list of authorized devices. Select each device you no longer recognize or want and tap Remove or Unlink. Don't skip confirmation. When prompted, enter the verification code sent to your email or phone. This proves you own the account. Once done, the device is revoked and cannot access your account without re-authentication. Make sure to repeat for every device. Finish by logging out and then logging back in to confirm the device list shows no unwanted entries. If the in-game flow blocks verification, access the Mountain/Account Center website or desktop portal, sign in using the same credentials, and manage trusted devices there. This often works when the app's flow times out. If both paths fail, contact Mobile Legends support with screenshots and proof of ownership. They can manually revoke devices and restore secure access.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.